Hey YouTube, welcome to part 2 of my WPL C34 Toyota Landcruiser FJ40 build and upgrade series. I told you we'll post a video about axle housings and I'm searching for shocks. This will come, still didn't find shocks that fit, that's quite a difficult task, and we'll post the axle housing video soon. But what I did find meanwhile is a replacement or upgrade servo. So you are searching for an upgrade servo for the WPL C34 servo with plastic here, 25 gram servo. I guess I did find it. It's this servo, the JX PDI 2506 MG. And here you can see the technical data of the servos. There are not a lot of data of the C34 servo, but there are exact data of the JX PDI 2506 Metal Gear servo. You will find those technical data, of course, on the website. Hard to compare because data of the C34 servo are missing. Full Metal Gear servo. Significantly stronger, maybe about the same speed. So if you are searching for an upgrade servo, you will probably have found it now. Those two servos do have exactly the same dimensions, exactly. So even the height is exactly the same, and the gears are exactly the same, and that's the original servo arm of the C34 servo, and the JX PDI 2506 Metal Gear comes with several servo arms. Amongst them it's exactly the same, so you can interchange even the servo arms. That's fantastic. So this means that's the frame of the C34 stock servo. Of course I fixed it with a plate. Fits perfectly, of course. And the JX PDI 2506 Metal Gear servo fits exactly the same. Perfect. I will check the speed of those servos now, and we'll check their pull force if I can find any differences. Meanwhile, you can buy the C34 servo as spare part. It's not really cheap, but you can also buy this servo. It's more expensive than the C34 servo. I will post the link in the description. And I think I found the perfect servo. It's not the cheapest servo, but the perfect servo. So simple speed test. With my servo tester I make the first test with 5 volts. On the left side the WPL C34 stock servo, on the right side the JX PDI 2506 Metal Gear servo. Let's see if we can see any difference. So there seems to be no difference, at least in the speed I can turn the wheel of my servo tester. Let's increase to 6 volts. And let's check it now. Probably would need better methods to check the speed. Simply by primitive methods as this I can't see any difference. And now you see already here on the right servo the PDI MG seems to be a little bit stronger. But we will test this now. Primitive test setup to check the power of the servos. I use a scale, a simple luggage scale. I use the same servo arm for both servos, the PDI 2506 metal gear and the WPL C34 servo. I use a servo tester and I use my small LED power supply, and we'll test the servos with 6 volts as you see here and with 5 volts. So let's see how they do. The WPL C34 stock servo on 5 volts. Pulse, come on, come on, come on. 1.3. Let's do it slow again. 1.4. So you see 1.3, 1.4. Now the JX PDI 2506 metal gear on 5 volt. 2.5, oops. 2.2 on 5 volt, so it's significantly stronger. About 2.2 kilograms on 5 volt. So now let's see the WPL stock servo on 6 volt. 1.5 if I go fast, because 1.56, 1.5, so a little bit more than with 5 volt where it was mostly about 1.3, 1.5, 1.6. And now the JX PDI 2506 metal gear on 6 volt. Second try, 2.5, 2.6, 2.8, 3 kilogram. 2.8, 2.9, 3 kilogram on 6 volts, so you see it's significantly stronger than the WPL C34 servo. So final conclusion, guys, if you want to upgrade your WPL FJ40 Landcruiser with a stronger servo, probably more sturdy servo with metal gears, this is the servo for you, the JX PDI 2506 metal gear. But if you're happy with the stock servo, no problem. I don't know how long the plastic gears will hold up. Anyway, I hope to see you soon with the next video, hopefully with my axle housings of the C34, the fix of the axle housing problems, or with shocks, or with links. Anyway, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.